The torque wrench is a tool which is used when a precise amount of twisting force or tightness is required. They're precision tools and they're calibrated. Installing fire sprinklers is one of the times where a specific torque or tension is required. Specialised sockets for fire sprinklers are used to ensure that the sprinklers are not damaged during the installation process. They've got a standard 1/2-inch drive on the bottom. The sprinkler must be placed into the socket correctly, taking into account interference from the protective cover. The 1/2-inch drive on the sprinkler spanner is securely fitted to the torque wrench by simply pressing it on to the square lug on the wrench. Different tensions are achieved by using the adjustable scale on the torque wrench handle. Graduations of 10 are on the inner sleeve of the handle, and single units are read off the twistable section of the handle. Once the desired torque is set, the handle is locked in position by the lock screw on the bottom of the handle. Ensure that there's adequate sealant on the thread. With a concealed type as shown here, it's necessary to remove the protective cover for installation. Carefully place the correct socket into the spanner and make sure it's properly engaged. Start the sprinkler off by hand and make sure that it's not cross-threaded. Continue to tighten the sprinkler with the torque wrench until the audible click is heard from the torque wrench, and then back off for a confirmation click. Double clicks will be heard. Carefully remove the socket wrench assembly and insert the cover plate.